The Meghalaya Cabinet amended state building rules on Tuesday to support the development of industrial zones in New Shillong. Cabinet spokesperson and Minister Paul Lyngdoh said the amendment categorizes industrial zones in areas like Mawhanu and Mawkasiang, aiming to guide their development with updated building bylaws. Paul Lyngdoh also explained that the regulations will apply across Meghalaya to manage urban growth, addressing construction requirements like floor area ratio or FAR and setbacks. He clarified that the new guidelines cover areas already acquired by the state and will extend to other emerging industrial zones.
The amendment of the Meghalaya building bylaws. This is broadly to facilitate the need to categorize the industrial zones into categories that were earlier not done, and also it involves amendment of the building bylaws for these industrial zones, and as you are aware, the expansion that is happening currently, especially in the New Shillong area, the new city, has to be planned in a very scientific manner, which is why we need this new set of bylaws for the industrial zones to be in place, and these were considered and approved by the cabinet. In all the designated industrial estates across Meghalaya, because urbanization is an ever ongoing process and it is expanding, but as of date, certain categories of buildings have not been duly notified, and therefore there is a need to regulate such buildings. There is a need to categorize them, to define the FAR of each of the categories, setbacks, all of those issues. Hence, there's a need to regulate such buildings, and therefore the cabinet decided that in view of the growing urbanization and the emergence of new urban centers, so within these industrial zones and estates, the categorization of these buildings and their applicability of the bylaws will be extended to those industrial zones. So what is happening is that in areas like Mawhanu, areas like Mawkasiang, we will have these industrial zones within areas already acquired by government of Meghalaya.
The government